There should be one Palestine. The two-state solution, I know there are some people who argue for it, but I do not believe that Netanyahu will ever give two states. It has to be one state where Jewish people, where Muslim people, where Christian people, where people who have no religion have equal rights, equal voting rights, equal rights to everything. At the moment, what you have is apartheid. Our Union Unison, we opposed apartheid in South Africa. We oppose the colonial apartheid of the Palestinian people. And that is why the slogan, from the river to the sea, Palestine will be free, is not about extermination. It is about people being able to live side by side in a state where they are equal. It's a slogan that the PLO had back in the 1970s and 80s and dropped it. It's not new. It is a claim for the whole of the historic area of Palestine to be restored to a democratic state where Palestinian people can finally be free. Free, free! Palestine! Free, free! Palestine! Free, free! Palestine! From the river to the sea! Palestine will be free! From the river to the sea! Palestine will be free! From the river to the sea! Palestine will be free! Thank you for listening to me. Thank you so much. And solidarity.